My name is Christopher Haskins. I'm with MMP Capital. I've been in the leasing industry for about 25 years now, and for about the last 15, 17 years, specifically within the automotive sector. The automotive sector for me, they're good people, straight people, hardworking, honest, and those are the people that I like to work with. The unique thing with Autel and the ADAS specifically is the return on investment. I mean, understanding what you may be outsourcing and what you can do to bring that in-house. Given car count, $700 a car, 2 cars a month pretty much pays for itself. Knock that out in a day, and then you've got the rest of the month that you're just pure gravy, pure additional capital into your business. Once you click the application, you're not locked into anything. It's just merely an opportunity for us to engage in an underwriting to say, listen, this is what we can offer you. And if the terms that come back don't potentially meet what you're looking for, I'm happy to go back and do my part, given my relationships with Autel and other vendors, to get the payment close to where it needs to be to meet your goals. The application process is done electronically. We can try to get it done in a day, 2 days most. So it's a quick process. Nothing's really needed up front, super easy. I'm familiar with the industry. Our capital line is set up for the industry. We've got a bunch of different programs. So it's not a situation where we're going to be tied specifically to A+ credit. All applicants are going to have an opportunity to do finance with me one way or another. Typically, all of my ADAS terms are structured as an equipment finance agreement. It's an equipment loan. Basically, you own the equipment, you depreciate the equipment. At the end of the term, nothing is owed. Terms typically range anywhere from 2 to 5 years. I would say the majority of my customers to date have all been 36 months because given the monthly payment, given the return on investment, they didn't see the need for it to carry out 5 years. But if some do and some choose to, they certainly can and pay it off early. So that gives them options. Typically, there's no money down. Your first payment isn't due for 30 days. But if it's a situation where you might want to say, okay, I need 60 days, I need 90 days deferred before I make my initial payment, I do have some programs that we can get you into that can give you that leeway to get the equipment, have the training, and give yourself some ramp-up period in advance on the equipment before that payment comes due. Historically, we've been able to get financing for pretty much everybody that's applied. We've got a ton of different options, and we've been very successful at it. I'm a straight shooter, and I think that's why I have repeat customers. There's no hidden tactics, there's nothing behind the curtain, everything's up front. If you have questions, you can certainly reach out to me, give me a call, shoot me an email. The opportunity with the ADAS is great. The return on investment's there. We're gonna make the financing as easy as possible for you, and we look forward to helping you succeed in the industry.